Hi, welcome to Rubik's Cube with Srijay channel. This is Srijay and I am going to teach you how to solve a clock cube beginner's method. I am going to use speed cube and I will be posting all the clock cube algorithms in the description below. Let's get started, but before starting we have to learn how the clock cube works. If we put one pin up, these 4 pins will turn. If we put 2 pins up, these 6 will turn. If we put 3 pins up, all of them will turn except this last one over here. If we put 4 pins up, all will turn. It's same for the other side. Now let's get started by mixing it up. I mixed up. I mixed a little more. There. Now I mixed it up. Now the first step is to solve the cross. It's same like a 3 by 3. The cross. So what you have to do is we have to match this with this. So what we'll do is put one pin. We should not move this, but we have to move this. These two are already matched, so we'll move these two. So then what you have to do is put one pin up. These 4 will turn, including these 2. But this will not turn, so that's good. So we'll match it like this. Now what you have to do is match this. We'll put 2 pins up. So these 6 will turn and including these 3. So I'll turn it to match this one. And then we'll put these 2 pins up. So these 6 will turn including these 4 to match this one. And then finally we'll put at least 3 pins up to move it to 12. Like this. Then what you have to do is flip it and do the same thing. The 3 are already solved, so I'll put 2 pins up to match this one. Then what I'll do is put these 2 pins up for these 6 to match this one. It doesn't matter to put all the pins to 12. It came to 12, so it's okay. If you want to match it, you could match it. But now what you have to do is do the same thing but in the corners. So what I'll do is put 3 pins up to match this corner. And then these pins match this corner. Now I'll remove this pin and put this pin back up to match this one. All the pins will turn except this one. So I'll match it like that. Then I'll put these pins up and put this down so I can match this one. Then when I'll put this pin up and put this down so I can match this one. And then I'll take all pins up and then put it to 12. And then some stroke of magic, this whole side will already be solved. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.